Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about what days are the best days to go to a restaurant. So let's get started. So the best days, guys, to go to a restaurant are usually Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The reason being is that's when usually the most fresh food is there, and it's going to be busy on the weekends, so they're always going to have the fresher stuff there available because everyone gets deliveries usually Thursday or Wednesday or on Friday. Sometimes Saturday, but that sometimes doesn't happen. But typically Thursday and Friday. So you're pretty much guaranteed to get some fresh food, especially if this restaurant is usually busy. Now, the thing on Mondays, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesdays and Wednesdays is those are leftover days. The specials are usually from leftovers. So, for example, let's just say fish. This restaurant had some fish left over. They're either going to make a fish pasta or they're going to make a seafood pasta with it and add some other ingredients to it. They might do like a fish scampi with it, or they'll do a fish Alfredo. They will make whatever, or a taco. I mean, they'll do whatever they can just to get rid of it. Granted, that special might be really, really good, but it is always something they're trying to use up or get rid of. It's always product they're trying to get rid of. Usually it's never bad. It's just not as fresh as it could be. So that's just another reason why you don't want to go out on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays. So, and another thing is, if you are going out on the Monday, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays, you're not getting bad food. It's just not as fresh as it could be. Because, it's sometimes at most restaurants, it's slow. But if you're in a big city, big area, you ain't got to worry about it because they're going through product like there's no tomorrow. But if you're in a small town, it's going to be a little iffy. So, it's just something to watch out for. So, if you guys like, it's just something to watch out for. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right over there. And if you're following me on Facebook right now, go up there and hit that blue button. That helped me out so much. And you guys have an awesome day.